everyone, LaDell here. Welcome back to my Spindle Chick Chat. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between CNC spindles and routers. Let's dive on in. Both CNC spindles and routers are essential tools in the world of machining, but they serve different purposes and other distinct advantages. First, let's define what each tool is. A CNC spindle is a motor that precisely drives a cutting tool on a CNC machine. It's designed for high precision and heavy-duty use. On the other hand, a router, commonly known for woodworking, is a versatile handheld or table-mounted tool used for cutting and shaping materials. One major difference is precision and power. CNC spindles are engineered for accuracy, providing consistent and repeatable results. They often operate at higher speeds and have greater power, making them ideal for tasks requiring fine detail and heavy cutting. Routers, while powerful, generally offer less precision, making them more suitable for less demanding tasks. Durability is another key factor. CNC spindles are built for continuous industrial use. They have robust bearings and cooling systems to handle long operating hours. Routers, conversely, are designed for shorter, intermittent use. Their lighter construction can't withstand the same level of constant use as a spindle. Versatility also sets them apart. Routers are incredibly versatile and can be used on various materials like wood, plastic, and soft metals. CNC spindles, while more specialized, excel in applications requiring high precision and are commonly used in metalworking, aerospace, and automotive industries. Lastly, consider the cost. CNC spindles are a significant investment, reflecting their precision and durability. Routers are more affordable, making them accessible for hobbyists and small-scale projects. In summary, choose a CNC spindle for high precision, heavy-duty tasks, and a router for versatility and cost-effectiveness in less demanding applications. Understanding these differences will help you select the right tool for your machining needs. Thanks for watching my Spindle Chick Chat. If you need CNC spindle repair, talk to me, LaDell, or visit us at www.motorcityrepair.com.